Did you know that you can make money with affiliate marketing? So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or services that you use and you can make money. Welcome guys. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Viveth, and on this channel we talk about ways that you can make money, we can save and invest, money saving tips, and general ways in which you can achieve financial freedom. So as stated before, in this video we're going to talk about affiliate marketing and a way in which you can create passive income without having to ship anything, without having to manufacture anything. All you have to do is to promote your link. If you have following on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any other social media platform, you can use affiliate marketing to generate leads to products and services that you refer, and you can make money passively. Isn't that great, guys? It sounds great to me. So if you like this content so far, just give a like to the video, guys. It really helps out the channel so that the video can go to more persons. Subscribe and share the videos. So the first affiliate platform that I want to talk to you about is one called Digistore 24. Digistore 24. All right, guys. So you click the link here, and there are so many things on this platform that you can promote with your affiliate link, and you can earn money. So you can go to the marketplace here where they'll show you all the products and services that they have here that you can promote. So for example, if you are in the pet niche, if you are a pet lover, for example, this is Train Your Cat, #1 cat training and caring ebook. And for this one, you will get 75% commission to promote this product. And with your link, if persons purchase the product, then you will get a commission from it, which is passive income, right? You can earn this while you are sleeping, right, guys? So if you're in the fitness and health, right? So this is the ultimate keto meal plan. Make 35 AOV with a $1 sale, and you will get 85% commission. So if you promote this product, guys, you can get 85% commission for just promoting this product with your affiliate link. So no matter what area you are in, affiliate marketing is a great way in which you can earn, and it's the easiest way you can earn passive income, right? So doesn't matter if you're in the dating, love, and relationship, right? His secret obsession, insane conversions, and 90%. So this is 90% commission, guys. So if you're in this niche, you can promote this product, and you can also get more information about this product. So if it's a case where you want to say more about the products, then there are information available for each of them where you can talk more about the product. And also, if you are using any product at all or any service at all, you can promote that as well, right? So this is just one affiliate website that you can use, right, to promote whatever products or services with your affiliate link, and you can make passive income. That is so awesome. All right. The other one that I want to talk to you about is Rakuten, which is my favorite. And this one you earn cash back when you purchase online. So there are a number of stores that are on this platform, guys. And if you purchase things online, for example, if you purchase products from Shein, Best Buy, Office Depot, or Office Max, right? Walmart, H&M, right? If you buy from Dell, Macy's, Nike, there are so many stores on this platform, and you can get up to 10%, 2%, 2%, 10% cash back. From Macy's, it was originally 2%, now it's 10%. From Nike, it was 1.5%, now it's 8%. Guys, trust me, Rakuten works. I have been on this platform from 2014, and so far I have earned $169 just by using this platform and making purchases through this platform. Guys, there are so many stores here, right? For example, if you have your business and you want to purchase things like, for example, AliExpress, right? You get 2.8% from AliExpress from purchases. If you purchase through Alibaba, 3%. There are so many stores on this platform, guys, and this is my favorite way where you can get cash back when you purchase products. You can purchase things for your personal use or for your business. You will get cash back. Sometimes they are offering double cash back from stores. Like some stores offer double cash back, right, on your purchases. So it is just a great way, right? So for example, as I said about Nike, this they're saying 8%, um Bed Bath and Beyond 2%, Gap is 6, Adidas is 8, Carter's 6%. So there are times when you get double cash back from some of these stores, guys, and I'm telling you, it's a great way that you can earn passive income without having to deal with customer service, without having shipping anything. You just refer your link, you talk about it on your platform, and you can start earning money, earning money. And guys, if for example you are using a product or service, and you can check to find out if that company has an affiliate program, you can always do a check. So for whatever company, whatever product you buy, right? If you can always check to see if they have an affiliate program, and you can sign up to it and you can join. Also, another way that you can search is to type in affiliate plus whatever area you are interested in. So, for example, I type in this before. If you have a cat and you love cat and you're a cat lover, right? You can click, and it here will tell you like companies that have affiliate programs that you can join and you can refer, right? So this one says 16 best cat affiliate programs in 2022, right? And number one is Hepper Cat Furniture, and this one gives you 10% commission and you're paid monthly, right? This one is Use of Pet Insurance. This one gives you $80, right? Another one, Cat Sprain No More, right? Commission rate is 75%, and it's cookie duration 60 days, right? So you can go through, right, guys? So if, for example, if you're a dog lover, right? So if you love dogs, All right, so this one says 11 best dog affiliate program, right? You can just scroll down and see if they have an affiliate program. Let me come off this one, guys. Kind of having a little challenge with this one. Run this one. Hey, dogs. All right, so let us check another one. All right, so top 10 best dog affiliate programs of 2022. Right, so you have Chewy affiliate program, and they give you $15 per new customer, right? This one is Fitbark affiliate program. The commission rate starts at 12%, right? This is another one, 15% commission rate. So guys, you can just check, just look at the products, whatever services that you're offering. Just check to see if there's an affiliate program. You can sign up for them and you can start earning money. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways that you can start earning money, passive income, guys. So if you like the video, guys, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share the videos, because we are on the journey towards financial freedom. And on this channel, we showcase ways that you can make money, passive income, and other ways that you can earn an income, you can save, and you can invest. Right, guys? So if you like this video and if you like the contents, please subscribe, please like. It really helps out the channel, because YouTube will show this video to other persons, so that they can learn and they can grow and they can start making passive income online. All right, guys, so if there's any other topics that interest you, that you want me to showcase on this platform, just leave it in the comments down below, and I will certainly do a video on it. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye, champions.